Hey, everybody! Welcome friends to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to easily add a person to a group message on iPhone. Before starting the video, make sure to put your like, also subscribe to the channel, and please write your comments after watching. So, let's get started. In order for you to add anyone to group chat on your iPhone, open the messaging app. After that, go to your group chat. At the top, click on its name. And now tap on the People section. This way, you will see the complete list of people who are in that group chat. Next, click on Add Contact. Now you will have to select any contact from the list. For example, you can enter the name of the person or you can click on the plus sign from the right top. Then scroll through. Click the person's name. When you have added all the people you wanted, you can add a non-organic number. Click from the right top Ready. And then click New Group. This will create a group where all the people you added will be added. And you'll be able to see that the number of people in that group has changed. I really hope this video was helpful to you, dear friends. Don't forget to put your likes and also write your comments. Take care, friends.